Hello everyone, how are you? So in this video we are gonna teach something new. How you can do this. You can see the whole background behind me is moving, but my face is still at the same position. This is we call it a face tracking. Yeah, it's a real-time face tracking. You can use it in live streams directly. You can see when I was moving, when I'm moving my face doesn't move with the camera. The whole background start rotating, and if I move like this, and you can see it creates a yeah it creates a background by itself. You can see this one. Yeah, I think I should open the side. Yeah, now that's good. You can see this. Yeah, this yeah, oh God, blah, blah. Okay, so how I did this, you can easily did by just using a software. Name is Camo Studio. First you have to connect it with your phone, or you can use your camera, or even you can use your laptop. Actually this is just a feature. Just download this website, sorry, software. Download the software named Camo Studio Pro. Let me check the alt key option. It's working perfect. Okay, so first I have to put my face on the top. No, on this. No, like, okay, that's cool. This. Hmm. Have you seen the one thing that it can also make a dolly zoom? Look, when I was when I was moving back, you can see it zooms me because it is tracking my eyes. Suppose if I hide my eyes, this is a real frame, and if I take it, it detects the eyes and zoom me directly. You can make a dolly zoom like this. Like this. Okay, so let's start it. I waste a lot of time. Okay, so just you have to download the Camo Studio app. It looks like this. If you have the phone, just connect it with your USB cable, and then go to this option. Okay, if you have the phone, then download. It is Android, then download the Camo Studio app and open it. And if you have the App Store, then download the Camo Studio Pro. Now go to this option, Alt Q. Perfect. Here we have the option device. After connecting your camera, or you are just using your laptop camera, after that select the device from there. If it is a mobile phone, select it. If it is your laptop, select this one, or if there are another one, there may be something different with the title. Select one, and lens from there, wide, like front or back. Now I'm using a front camera, so it is wide 31 in the front section. I can also select the 15 megapixel backside, but right now I'm using front camera. You can select the resolution and frame rate from there, 30 fps or 60 fps or up to 50 fps it is. And audio setting, it's your choice. You want to add the audio, you want to use the audio of your camera or not. You can directly, you can see I wrote it like this. You can use these templates from there, like this. Okay, if I click on this one, it looks like this, but I don't like it. Now I will select plus click on I will click on plus option, add a new scene. Sorry, no. I will select on templates. Where is my template? Okay, no problem. I will make it again. Now how I can, this is a filter and you need an internet to use this effect. If you go on the other side, there is image enhancement. Here we have AR. In this option, you can just click on face follow, or there are a lot of options like basic portrait. It will blur the background, mute background. It will make your background white, blank, or make you colored. 8-bit, it makes the boxes like a 8-bit screen. And emoji face, instead of using your face, it has an emoji. When you smile, the emoji smiles. When you start crying, the emoji cries. Invisible, you will be invisible in your video. I can make you to use it, but it takes. Okay, let's start it. Click on lightning. You can see the face right now. Okay, I have something on my face. Look at this. Now chromatic. Let's try this. Bye. Useless now. Big head. Oh my god. Oh my god. Big head. Nothing. No. Jaguar. Uh-huh. No. No. Masking. Inside masking, we have the beauty option. No. It's good. Yeah, it's good. Nice. I look beautiful. Invisible. Sketch. Okay, so sketch 8-bit. I become the 8-bit. Okay, and then there is another one, basic portrait. Wow, it's cool. You can see the background is completely bigger, and it only focus on me if I'm moving like this. Okay, it's cool. Yeah, it's working perfect. It depends on your camera also. Okay, like now I'm using my front camera, and I'm at the correct position, correct distance. If I move back to some other, like look, you can see the changes. Okay, and it also depends on the lightning. Mute background. So here we have the black background, black and white background, and I am colored. And then another one is emoji face. Okay, right now I'm not doing anything. Wait, smile. Ha 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 ha. No. Okay. Okay. Now the last one is face follow. Face follow. It will follow your face by just tracking it. Okay. You can easily try this by just using. It's free. Yeah, it's free, but it has a limitations like you can only use 1080p up to 1080p. You can't use I think 4K. It depends. I'm not confirmed. Okay. You must try this software Scamo Studio Pro. And if you want to use it with your OBS Studio, how you can do this? When you start downloading this, there's another website, sorry, not the website, another app named Camo Studio Driver. But after downloading this application, Camo Studio Pro, you will get a notification in the top in this option that you have to download the Camo Studio driver to use this application in other apps. You just need to click on this download option and it will start installing it. Or if you didn't get that option, then go to this website, search on Google Camo Studio driver and go to this download option. Okay, now open downloads, get on the App Store, get it from Microsoft, get download for Windows. Camo Studio. I think this one. Camo Studio run on Mac. Let you control it. Just your video and make it visible. You must got an option from there, because when I download this application Camo Studio Pro, I got the in the notification option, I got an notification to download the Camo Studio driver. After I installed it, I it shows me the camera point here. Okay, now to connect with the OBS, what you have to do in OBS Studio, just first of all add your camera option, video capture device. From there, click on plus, click on video capture device, and then you will get some options like this. Here in the device option, select this one, and here is a camo. If your Camo Studio driver is installed, then it will show you in this list. Otherwise, it doesn't show there. You can't see there. You can adjust a lot of things, but it's useless. Leave it like that and click on OK. Simple. Just 6% battery. Lul. Now you can see and adjust it by yourself. And remember, you need internet to use this effect. Yes, you use only this effect. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Try this video and try to learn something new. Try to do some research and think, because AI tools start making you not to think. They remove the ability of thinking from us. Yes. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.